today I want to present you the highest and the wonderful laboratory in North Korea, which contains, it talks about the qualities of petroleum products. Today we have these machines, or this object which we use this machine for distillation, STM, which we say American Society of Testing Materials. And this you can say like an object, like machines. We put the products here, which we call kerosene, the gasoline, and this product here is going to, we're going to alone here, we're going to turn on here, and it's going to start. When it starts here, it starts to move, and one part of it we call distiller will come here, and the residual is going to stay here inside. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna measure here according to the approved. We have here kerosene, that is the fuel for what we call for airplanes, and we measure here from 10, we're gonna measure the temperature, 50 we're gonna measure temperatures, and 90 we're gonna measure temperature. We have initial point, and we have the final point. The initial point, we can see that is the rose point, which means the first bowls of water which will come off the product, petroleum product, which will come down. And also we're gonna measure also here, over here. So this machine, you can say, is discontinued distillation, this one. And from here, I'm gonna show you the wonderful machine which we have here, the decimeter. The decimeter is the machine that we use to calculate automatically the density. As here we have 0.794. See, and this density is given according to temperatures of 15 degrees Celsius by 4. I mean that is American degree. See, APA. And also from this, we also learn another point that is very important for petroleum qualities. We have this one, and we have these machines which contains two recipients. So this we're gonna put a product, a petroleum products like gasoline. You can put even like diesels. We put right here. If we put here, what it's gonna do? It's going to transfer through this cable, this cable, this pipes, and it's going to come here. And from here, we're gonna determine what we say delta P. Delta P is the charge loss. The charge loss comes here, and we're gonna determine from here. And it will come here from the screen. We're gonna read the value, the exact value from here. And after that, we can even see the index of corrosion, because once we say the oxidation, we are talking about corrosion. And the corrosion is coming from the sulfur, or even it comes from acids. And we measure from, we take there's one things here, we call these things here. These things here. So these things here, we're gonna put right here to measure. We open here. Sorry. Okay, it's okay, it doesn't open. We can put this over here and we measure if there is oxidation or no. This we use for measuring. So there's another thing that is very interesting also. Right here, here. This one is distiller, which means the water, we can put a water, we can distill a water, like we put here from these tubs. The water comes from here, and it comes from here, and it's going to be here. And here what it will come, the heat, it will start to boil. And when it boils, the water, it will come back, and here the vapors, they are going to transform, they will come back, they come here. That is the distilled water. And the water which is not very used is going to come by here. That is not important for us. And it will come when we open here. If we open, for example, you see, it's coming like this. So the water, it will come over here, and it will come here, but we need to close here, so that the distilled water will come from here. This also is very interesting machine. I will show another one also, which is interesting. We have got this one. This one is also high frequency reciprocate rate. This one also, it tells us about the microcore of a particular. You can put